Welcome to Dceb 2024-25 SSC Revision Tests, Grand Tests and Content. Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. I am R. Venkateswar Rao, School Assistant of English from ZPHS Bhimanapalli. Today, I give you answers to the revision test 1 of English subject. I think all of you did it well. Let's go. Section A, Reading Comprehension. When you want to do well, this reading comprehension yourself, you need to read it with the understanding. If you don't understand it, read it again. Take your friends' help and teachers' help. I give you some tips to understand it. Firstly, note down in your own words the summary of the lesson. Then write some important points from the lesson. Then read it, then you can understand. Okay? Now let's go to this paper. In this paper, you are given a passage from the first lesson, a letter to God. God, he wrote, "If you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes, because the hailstorm," you are given like this. Now you are asked to write answers to the 5 questions. Question number 1. Who is he referred in this paragraph and what did he write? Answer: he refers to Lencho. He wrote a letter to God asking for help. Here I wanted to give you a tip. Most of the students are pronouncing the word Lencho as a Lenko. Don't pronounce it. Second sentence. Why did he write the letter? Answer: he wrote the letter because a hailstorm destroyed his crops and he needed help to survive and replant. How much money did he need? He needed 100 pesos. Why did he need 100 pesos? To throw a party, to sow his field, to eat tasty food. Answer B. To sow his field. Fifth question. Who did he write the letter to? God, postmaster, his wife. Yes, you're right. Answer is God. A. Read the following stanza of a poem. Some say the world will end in the fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor it fire. Now answer the following questions. How did the world end in the poet's opinion? The poet believes the world could end in fire or ice, symbolizing desire and hatred. What is the name of the poet? Mrs. Fombury, Hodkin, Mr. Harriet, Robert Frost. Yes, you are right. D. Robert Frost. Read the following passage. C section. Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. But Hodkin, the gardener, has been down with the lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Now answer the following questions. Who has his little walks and who has taken him to walk? Answer. Tricky has his little walks and Mrs. Fomprey takes him for walks. Next question. What was Hodkin? Hodkin was a gardener. Third question. Who is the speaker of this passage? Mrs. Fomprey, Hodkin, Mr. Harriet. Yes, you are right. Answer A. Mrs. Fomprey. Section B. Grammar and vocabulary. Lencho was a poor farmer. His faith in God was unshakable. Answer. Lencho, comma, whose faith in God was unshakable, comma, was a poor farmer. Number 2. Lencho was a farmer. He had unwavering faith in God. Answer. Lencho, comma, who had unwavering faith in God was a farmer. Lencho wrote a letter to God. The letter expressed his faith in divine help. Answer. Lencho wrote a letter to God which expressed his faith in divine help. Next, change into passive voice. Ramesh drove a car. A car was driven by Ramesh. Lencho wrote a letter to God. A letter was written to God by Lencho. Section C. Creative expression. Imagine you were Lencho. The hailstorm damaged your cornfield and caused you suffer starvation. You did not know what to do. Your wife noticed your sad mood. You opened your heart to your wife. Now write a suitable conversation between you and your wife. Answer. Lencho's wife. Good morning, my lord. Why are you looking so gloomy today? Lencho. Good morning. Actually, it is a bad morning. Lencho's wife. Why? Lencho. Our cornfield is damaged by the hailstorm. Corn was totally destroyed. Lencho's wife. That's why people say man proposes and God disposes. Lencho. We have to sow the field again. Lencho's wife. But how to live until the crop comes? Lencho. No one dies of hunger. We have a single hope from God. Lencho's wife. We do have a relentless hope in God. Lencho. I write a letter to God for help. Lencho's wife. Okay, let's try our luck. Dear students, you could write yourself in your own words if you understand the lesson completely. So still we have a lot of time. Reread the lesson and understand the contexts and try to write your own dialogues, diary and other things. All the